have not liked and subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe. So today I wanted to kind of go over the market, what's happening in the market overall, and some of the really good setup we saw last week. Basically really good. The market is really doing really well right now. We see a lot of constructive chart. So I wanted to kind of start ahead with the Tesla and why it was a really great setup, right? So Tesla, we saw the all-time high in March or April. Oh no, in fact, it was in January, right? So January, right? So January, Tesla has been really kind of pulled back, um, 40% probably, right? So almost 40% if I measure it, almost it went down, yeah, about a 40%. And wow, and boy, I mean, like within couple of days. But what I'm really want you to is like why you should buy an all-time high, right? So we have a top, then it just bottom out. If you could bottom out, then we had a lot of choppy actions. But we had a double bottom. But once you see the double bottom, if you draw a trend line, you could see that it really held that trend line. So you could have actually gone long. And also, if you look at the downtrend, it was almost broken at that point, right? So look at that, it was broken right around 650. Then it kind of held that support, but basically went there. So there's different way to play a stock, but really one of the really good pattern I like is when it's make an all-time high again. Look at this, really top on the January, good base for almost like 9 months, right? 9 month. And then we had a good earnings, so there's a catalyst, good earnings. And we had few momentum, like Hertz was buying 100,000 or 150,000 Tesla's Model 3, I guess, right? So then we had the gap up, and this is all-time high, right? There's no resistance. So basically there's a lot of momentum. And other things you always want to look into is basically the volume, right? Volume was right there. That's when I actually got long. And I don't have any open positions. I closed pretty much, but this was really good trade for a few days, like really volatile too. You have like 40, $80 move, but it has really strength, right? You have this volume coming in. So that's why you should always look for 52. I literally have a scan and I can kind of go over a few of the charts, but Tesla was a really great setup. I was actually screaming. And if you guys follow me, I have been like, this chart was there from always, right? That's why, I mean, if you buy here, it has a lot of choppiness. If you are in an option, you're losing. Look at this. That's a huge move, right? With the volume. So these are the setup you should always look for, right? So let's get a few of the charts, really good charts, constructive charts. So this is Home Depot, right? So look at this. How I plot is, you had this top on May, then good, really pulled back. The thing is, like, stock cannot just go up and up, right? It needs pullback, it needs some rest, then it just like goes for a new high, a pullback, and you see it making higher highs and lower highs, right? So uptrend really started from here and here. But really, if you go long here, look at that, it took quite a while. If you got in here, not much of a gain, right? But if you got in right here, 350, 360, within few weeks, boom, it's almost 74. Right now it seems like a kind of topping action. Let's say how much it pulls back and whatnot, but that's what you are looking for. Again, a lot of people's like it's too high, but the thing is, like, it happens again and again. You just need to scan, look at the chart, some growth companies, some good names, and you will find one, right? So this was the another one. Nvidia, how can Nvidia, I think I do have a still a position, not Nvidia. Nvidia, right? Yep, Nvidia. So Nvidia, yeah, again, right? Nvidia, I got a little bit out. I just wanted to kind of test it out. I was kind of saying, like, I think I got right around here, 10 or 11. I was like, you know, it kind of started, the market was going up, and SPY and QQQ were above 50 days. And it was really a lot of constructive, overall market. So I got along right around here for I think 220, and right now I'm still holding it. I think it's expired next month. So really good one, this one. But again, if you don't even do all-time high break 32, 50, 60 within 1, 2, 3, 4 sessions, right? It's crazy. So all you need is you need some patience, right? It tells you the chart. Just look at the chart. everything is noise, right? Look at this, all-time high, a little bit of pullback, break through it. Look at this volume, really good volume. And look at this, this is a bad action. It's just top, top, double top, then it's like boom, going down. Just get out, right? Your moving average kind of drops, and you'll have moving average crossover, then drop. Pretty straightforward. Another strengthening, I think Microsoft is a really great earning. Same thing, right? Look at this, it did not really jump in, but it kept holding. So usually when I do breakout, I mean, it depends, like if you do option, you probably want to do at least like 3-4 week out, so you have some meat, right? Otherwise it's just theta gonna kill. If you're weekly, you are just gone, right? Roasted. But if you have a stock, that's always a good, you can have stop a little bit below your breakout. That way, like even if it held for a few days, right, it just now it's like boom, within few days, really good massive move, almost what, 10%, right? 10% in option is a lot of money. So that's there. And that's how I was into it. Look at this, same things, you have an all-time high 580 almost within few sessions. What we have within the few session, it's just almost 625. That's 45 bucks, right? So a lot in terms of motion. So a lot of the other charts I have from yeah, really doing look at that, it was like huge base. It was kind of choppy, but it finally broke out from there 140, but right now it's 160. That's what, 10-15%. That's pretty good, right? That's what you're really looking for. I do have a position in Affirm as well. So these were the few of the charts I kind of wanted to go over, and why you should buy stock when it's really making, that 52 high, 52 week high, and breaking through it. Yeah. And you have a lot of ways to play, right? Like I along with this, these are all the breakout plays. Along with these, you can do, theta plays to just generate income and whatnot. Calendar, that's a great way to do. uh, uh, you can do iron condor too, if it's, sideways. So lot of strategy. So yeah, if you want me to cover anything, just let me know, comment, and I will do that. But that's it for today. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and hopefully we'll have a great trading week. Thank you, and see you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.